car. We got somebody who's got a baby stroller, a scooter, skateboard, roller skates. We got wheels.
Rollerblades.
Come on, DJ.
Alright, ready for Limbo?
Are you rich? All right.
Y'all just do it like we did at Tri-City, just park going in that.
I have a better idea. Why don't we have the models do it?
Yeah!
In other words, get your Kentucky Fried Chicken eating butt over here. Let it go through. I'm so upset. I want to do my I'm so upset.
They're good, it's okay!
But you know how to twist. All right. We got some cars now. Here we go. Limbo competition starts. Here we go. Someone's winning some cash here today. Are you ready? Contestant number 1, Bob Ross. Go on through. Let's see what you got. It should be easy. There we go. Here we go. My man brought a mini. Come on. Come on.
Wait, is he in the basement?
Oh, he's showing off. Okay. Okay, show off.
That's the best thing to show you right there, Brian.
Nothing
He
left.
did it!
All right, what's going on? Here we go, man. Here we go. Got the Jason mask going on. Dennis rolling through. Easy work. Coming up.
Oh, shit!
Are you waiting on us with the lights?
Okay. Yo, he jumped out the pool came over here.
Here we go. Bob Ross, what's going on? Bob Ross's brother. Here we go. Easy work. All right. Bring it on down, ladies. Thank you for your work. I wonder if the smart car can get in there. Hold on, let me get this in there.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to get this smart car in there. The call for the crack ops. If you guys just move out of the way, not too much, because it is a small car. It kind of looks as big as a van. Yeah, you put it in reverse. Yeah, there you go. He's driving a smart car. He's outsmarting him. Let's go! Oh, we got assistance. The driving instructor is telling him where is the reverse. He got it. All right, there we go. Don't worry, you guys don't have to move it. The smart car will just go around you. Yeah, you made it. All right. So ladies, let's pull down the bar. Let's pull down the bar just a little bit. Yeah, go ahead. Yes, bring it down a bit.
We're already brought it down.
You already in?
Yeah, we're already in.
That's it? Okay. You ready? Let's go, Bob Ross! Don't stall that yet. You need a big throw. Oh, he brought in everybody in there. Hey, people, get ready. We're going to have to build this band like a clown car if we want to help this guy get through. Oh, yes! Keep it going! Keep it going! Yes! That might be his last run. That's right. Come on, bring it on, bring it on! Woo! You got what the Jason has. Yeah, all right, go ahead. There we go. Oh, shoot. This guy came out of the pool just to do this. Hey, Bob Ross' brother, how you doing, buddy? He's eating KFC right now, too. Look at him go. Okay, so you have to drop the top at least. Can you take down the roof? Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're good. All right, ladies, let's bring this back down. All right, you guys ready? Are you ready? And the fro is still out. He doesn't have to comb it back. Just like that. Who's next? All right, you guys, you're ready? All right, looking at the tires. The tires are not gonna rub. Are you ready? Go lower. Try to go lower. Oh, we got our first elimination. All right, who's next? Yes, we got the Jason now. Let's go. The Teddy. Woo. You know he's gonna be in the finals. You already know that. Who's next? Reload. I really like those chrome rims. Like, damn. He has a blue car? Yeah, he has a blue car. What? He loves Prelude, doesn't he? Woo. Bob Ross' brother just making it look easy. Whoa! Crack off. Are you sure you're gonna make it through? Can we sit in the car and make it lower? Is that possible? Oh, here we go. How much height can he cave off? Oh, wait, whoa! We might be somebody sitting. Oh, what? No way! Oh shoot, I guess I'm on his mic still. Alright, Bob, you ready? Alright, show me. Just drive right through your treat it like a garage. Here comes the Teggy. You already got this. And if you guys know the plate, JDM Expo, you can get that from Ticket. Here goes the next prelude. Come on, come on. What year would you say that is? Who could guess the year? You. 87. When he comes back around, we're going to find out. It's in the 87. Yeah, you got it, you got it. Okay. Call of Booty. Unless you're removing a wall gun, if you're taking pieces off your car, he is removing pieces off the car. The van should have did the same thing, I'm just saying. The van should have removed the whole top. Do you need somebody else in there? Well, okay, we need somebody else. You want to get in there? Yeah, if you need some booty. We're calling a booty right now. Is there any? I think you need one more. Go in there. You need one more. This is a call of booty card. There we go. Okay, okay. Are you ready? So close. Ba, 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 ba. Now come over here, come take this mic. All right. The Red Sun, you ready? Let's go. Still treating it like a regular garage. That's this guy, I'm telling you. Teggy, let's go. I wonder if that's on air right. Oh, did anybody notice the cars in the back? Did you notice that? Yo, there's a GTR in the back. R34. Okay. What, you going in sideways? That's what she said. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, you made it. You made it. You made it. Whoa. New entry. Okay. What's up? I feel bad for the other Pieta. We want to come back to the hotel. We want to come back to the hotel. Please don't wreck our engine. Save it for Race Wars next year. All right, Bob Ross. You need to put down your paintbrush. I don't think it's going to fit. Ooh. You may have to comb your hair back with this one. Ooh. 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 Okay, okay. Okay. Who's next? Come on, Teggy, you got this. Oh, so close, so close, so close. Prelude. Do you have air rights? Do you have people ride? The Miata. Elite, please let them know. Wait, the prelude made it through? No? Ooh. Ooh. That's it? Yup, Miata won. Except for the guy popping his muffler.
Wasn't there two Miatas? Is this the winner? The other one back, was it you two together?
Yeah, no.
You got to?
He won it once and that's it.
But he made it.
I know.
Make some noise. Oh, is he going through just to show up? Oh, wait, the antenna. the antenna.
Hey, if it touches, that's it.
Make some noise out there, guys. Your Limbo competition winner, make some noise out there. The man with beautiful hair, the dark good king, the man himself, the painter of the day, Mr. Bob Ross. Congratulations, such a to you, man. We appreciate you. For the Limbo competition. Next up, coming up. Next up coming up will be the rap battle. That's right, that'll be going on over on the top level of there, guys. The rap battle is going on. That is coming up at